Okay, number 3, x to the 4th, x cubed, x squared, x. So this time, the only difference is this is to the power of 4. The nice thing is they give us 2 factors, and hopefully by now you've come to realize that the highest power means there has to be that many zeros. So in this case, I'm going to look for 4 zeros. And the other nice thing about this is they gave us 2 factors. We're still going to use synthetic division, we're still going to do it twice, but the tip I have for you is pick the larger one to start with. It will help you out further in the end. So I am going to start with -2. Pull my coefficients down. 1, -2, -15, -4, +20. Answer bar. Still you got to pull the first one down. -2 times 1, -2. -2 plus 2, -4. -2 times -4 is 8. -7. 2 times -7 is +14. -4 plus 14 is 10. And you still should get the opposite here today. -20. So a remainder of 0. If that helps you, fill it all in. Remainder, number, x, x squared, x cubed. Okay, we can work with this. I told you we wanted to start with something to the 4th, break it down to something to the power of 3. So I'm going to have x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7x plus 10. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to do synthetic division again using that other factor that they gave. You have to use the other one. So I'm going to use this, I'm going to pull this up here, and I'm going to use my 1 down here. So the opposite of -1, +1. I have to use my coefficients from down here, so 1, -4, 7, 10. Okay, synthetic division again, we're just using our other factor. Pull my 1 down, 1 times 1, 1, 4 plus 1, -4 plus 1, -3. 1 plus -3 is -3. Or 7 plus -3 is not right. Where did I screw up? Oh, right here. This is supposed to be a negative. If this is a negative, -7 plus -3 is -10. 1 times -10 is -10. And that just shows you that's a good way to check. This number at the end should come out to be opposites. So I got 0 remainder, number, x, x squared. Cool, got a quadratic, hopefully we can factor it. I got x squared minus 3x minus 10. Hopefully you can factor this by now. Should be straightforward. Should get x minus 5, x plus 2, and then don't forget the ones they gave us to begin with. X minus 1, x plus 2. Doesn't matter the order, you should still tell me the zeros. 1, 5, -2, -2. I think that's right. Looks good from my house.